Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a ticket on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Now from the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed with your email address and password to log in to your account. Now once you are taken inside your account, in order to close a ticket, click on the dashboard menu to see all of your tickets. Now a ticket will be closed once the issue is marked as solved. Open up any ticket which you wish to close, and now within the ticket option at the bottom right corner you will see the drop down menu. Click on this button and click on the solved menu, and now your ticket will be closed and it will be marked as solved. You can do this with multiple tickets if you like by clicking on the checkbox before them, and then you can edit all of these at once and choose the solved option to close these tickets right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to close a ticket on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.